Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Did you receive an email from Facebook that tells you about a security alert for an email address you didn't know? Did you ever receive an email like this? Security alert, email address added. Someone just added an email to your Facebook account. If this wasn't you, we're here to help you take some simple steps to secure your account. And also shows a location that you don't know. Maybe someone tried to access and hack your Facebook account. In this video, I will show you how to remove that email address or unwanted email ID from your Facebook account and protect it from unauthorized access. First, log into your Facebook account using a PC or a mobile. Then click on the profile icon and open Settings and Privacy. Again, open Settings menu. On the left side, you can see the Meta Account Center. Click on Personal Details under there. Right here, open Contact Info. Here is the contact information. Here you can see two email addresses. The first one is the spam mail ID, and I need to remove that. Click on that mail ID and choose Delete Email Address. Enter the OTP sent to your primary email account to delete it. It's done. To enable two-step verification, you need to add your current active phone number and verify it. And also delete any unused numbers in your account. Then open Password and Security and choose Two-Factor Authentication. Re-enter your password and enable two-factor authentication to get additional protection for your account. And also change your Facebook password immediately. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.